And this is the ever so famous, the elevator in Nordstrom. Right where we left it. Green. There's your lock up there. That's MRL. I can hear the bang though. Ooh, I like how it behaves like a Schindler. It's got MRL banjos though. Innovation Prestige. Let's give you a cab view. Notice the carpet on this floor. Big and huge. They left this cab though from the back of my iPod Touch when I left it. And unfortunately though, they killed off the voice. I'm going to end at the middle level. It's got slow doors. Yeah, that's MRL I can hear. By the way, first floor.
But this one's
Going
about
up?
to collapse too.
Yeah, it's going up.
Okay. This one's about to collapse too.
And that's it.